Greetings, friends. Watch refrigeration news for Tuesday, July 27, 2021 on our channel. ELFOEnergy Sheen Evo, WSAN-YSi, series is now extended up to 96 kilowatts. Thermo King manufacturing production line in Galway was awarded the ISO 14064-1, Carbon Neutrality, certification. Walter Roller celebrates 75th anniversary. CoolKit launched a conversion for new electric van. Johnson Controls receives 90th U.S. patent approval for OpenBlue Energy Optimization Innovations. EVAPCO has announced a price increase for commercial and industrial refrigeration products. So, first news today. ELFOEnergy Sheen Evo, WSAN-YSi, series is now extended up to 96 kilowatts. The ELFOEnergy Sheen Evo, WSAN-YSi, series of air-to-water full DC inverter packaged heat pumps for external installation, with R32 refrigerant, available in 6 sizes from 24 kilowatts to 62 kilowatts, is now completed with additional 3 sizes from 77 kilowatts to 96 kilowatts. The new WSAN-YSi 30.2 to 35.2 to 40.2 units all the features and functionalities that made the ELFOEnergy Sheen Evo series at the forefront of its category, making it among the most competitive and innovative on the market. Read more the news on our website today. Second news today. Thermo King manufacturing production line in Galway was awarded the ISO 14064-1, Carbon Neutrality, certification. Thermo King announced that its state-of-the-art Thermo King manufacturing production line in Galway, Ireland, was awarded the ISO 14064-1, Carbon Neutrality, certification from the National Standards Authority of Ireland, NSAI, the first in the country and one of the first in Europe. The recognition demonstrates the company's path towards their 2030 sustainability commitments, which includes leading by example in achieving net zero carbon emissions, zero waste to landfill, net positive water use in its own operations, and its Gigaton challenge to reduce customer emissions by 1 billion metric tons. Read more the news on our website today. Third news today. Walter Roller celebrates 75th anniversary. Founded in 1946, 2021 is a very special year for Walter Roller GmbH and AMP, co-based in Gerlingen near Stuttgart. This year, the expert for air coolers and heat exchangers celebrates its 75th anniversary. When Walter Roller founded his equally named company in 1946, he had already been working on the development of finned heat exchangers for 6 years in his parents' tinsmith's shop. As a friend of well-known company founders in refrigeration industries such as Goldner, Botter, Bach, and Schäufler, who had concentrated more on refrigeration machine engineering, Walter Roller experimented with the heat transfer of refrigerating capacity via various fin systems. Read more the news on our website today. Fourth news today. CoolKit launched a conversion for new electric van. Specialist temperature-controlled vehicle converter, CoolKit, has launched a conversion for an exciting new electric van set to drive positive, sustainable change within the food and pharmaceutical delivery sectors. While customer trials are still being carried out in partnership with ProGreen, ProHire's Alternative Fuels division, the results tracked to date have been hailed a great success among all partners involved. Read more the news on our website today. Fifth news today. Johnson Controls receives 90th U.S. patent approval for OpenBlue Energy Optimization Innovations. Johnson Controls announced it has surpassed a milestone by filing 200 U.S. utility patent applications for innovations surrounding its OpenBlue Central Utility Plant offering and related energy optimizing product offerings. Additionally, it received its 90th U.S. patent grant for innovations related to OpenBlue Central Utility Plant product and energy optimization innovations. Read more the news on our website today. Sixth news today. EVAPCO has announced a price increase for commercial and industrial refrigeration products. As commodity prices continue to rise, EVAPCO Incorporated has announced, effective Monday, July 26, 2021, a price increase for the following commercial HVAC and industrial refrigeration products in North America: cooling towers, closed-circuit coolers, Eco Air Series coolers and AMP, condensers, including adiabatic, dry, and air-cooled options. Evaporative condensers. EVAPCO models. Replacement parts. All stainless steel/aluminum evaporators, including SSDP penthouse models. CPA systems and AMP, EDF makeup air units. RVS vessels and AMP, packaged products. Ice coils and AMP, ice tanks, thermal energy storage. Depending on the specific product line, options, and/or accessories, the price increase is between 4%, and 8% on average. Read more the news on our website today. That's all. Share the news with your friends. Follow Refrigeration News on social networks. Please find the links below.